Hey guys, I ordered the Black Friday bundle from Glamlite, so I wanted to unbox this and share with you guys what I got. I know there was 5 set palettes that you get in here, but the rest of it I didn't really pay attention, and so I'm excited to show you guys what all I got. This box is completely packed full. It is insane. I cannot wait to show you guys everything. Okay, so first I got the Glamlite Diner Restaurant wipes. Of course, we all know their packaging is elite. So this is the burger palette. So I'm gonna open this up and show you guys this burger. Oh my gosh, it's like almost like cushioned looking. Oh my gosh. And then, of course, there's a mirror on top. And then this is the colors for the burger palette. Wow. Then we have these super cute taco lashes in Pollo. Oh my god, they're so pretty. And then it has the name right there, Pollo. I also received some burger lashes, and this is in chili cheeseburger. How cute are these two? Like, this is so adorable. Then I received the pizza palette. We open up this pizza. Let me quickly open this. It's a big size palette, guys. And then this is what the pizza palette looks like. And of course we got the mirror and it's got toppings. Then I received the cake palette, and I already had that, so I went and got mine. It opens up like an oven. And then this is what the colors look like. This is the first and only Glamlite palette I owned, which is why I got this bundle, so I could try some more. But I really, really love this palette. It's beautiful. Then we have the Viva Taco palette. This is what's your favorite topping. And this was all wrapped up. I just opened it up so I could show you guys a little faster. And then this is what inside of the taco palette looks like. Oh my gosh, these colors. Then we have the cinnamon roll, s'mores, and red velvet, but this one says lipstick, so I'm thinking these two are glosses. Let me swatch these for you real quick. So this is the red velvet cake, and that's what that looks like. Then we have the s'mores and the cinnamon roll right there. So beautiful. The last thing I got was this paint palette, which has this clear lid that flips all the way back, and this is what it looks like. And the box for this even comes with its own eyeshadow brush, which I thought was so cute. So let me know what you guys think, and if you've tried Glamlite yourself.